And the answer is usually no. Just be aware that this guy here is on a bit of a mission. And there's oh my goodness, that's so dangerous. So we have a mobility scooter here. Not ideal, but that person could have killed him. Okay, now, lit cigarette.
Come on, mate, get out of the road. Taking up my time.
He's puffing away.
Oh, imagine I have this on my test. That'll be an easy pass, just cruising along.
Well, you would be expected to overtake him, unfortunately. Just, oh God, not like that. So after we've passed this vehicle, can you see enough to safely overtake? It's 20 here.
No.
Bring it over as much as you can. You can go on the wrong side of the road. It looks clear to me. So stay here. See you later. Yeah, you would be expected to overtake it. And it's not always, it doesn't have to be on a dead straight piece of road.
Yeah.
You are supposed to make use of all the space you have, and that sometimes means going over to the other side.